From point A, the angle of elevation to the top of a building is 32 degrees. The person then walks 70 meters closer, and the angle increases to 44 degrees. We are asked to find the height of the building. Let's connect the two observation points on the top of the building. This forms a triangle. The distance between the 2 points is 70 meters. Now look at the angles in the triangle. The angle at the first point is 32 degrees, and the angle at the second point is 44 degrees. And now we're going to call the first point A and the second point B, and the top of the building, we're just going to call it C. And we will call side BC X. Now we could find angle CBA, because it's a supplementary angle to 44. And all you need to do is just go 180 minus 44. And that's going to give you 136. And therefore, we could find angle ACB, because the sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So if you go 180 minus 132 minus 136, and that will give us 12. Now, we can find side x by using the sine law. So we could start with x over sine 32, because that's the angle that's opposite to x, equals 70, and the angle that's opposite to 70 is 12, so that's going to be sine 12. And now all you need to do is cross multiply sine 32 into 70. So x will equal 70 times sine 32 divided by sine 12. And if you plug that into your calculator, you're going to get x equals 178.4. And that's what x is. And so since now we know what x is, and we want to find the height of the building, and since we know that triangle CBD is a right angle triangle, then we could use Ottawa to find the height of the building. And since x, which is the 178.4, is the hypotenuse, and we're looking for h, which is the opposite, then we're going to use the sine. And sine 44 is going to equal the height over 178.4. And now we could just cross multiply the 178.4 into sine 44. So h equals 178.4 times sine 44. And that's going to give us the height of the building, which is 124 meters high. This is exactly the kind of setup that shows up on exams. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.